To add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store, start by accessing the Shopify dashboard and navigating to the Products section. Click on the Add Product button and select the option to add a product from an external source. You will need to install the Oberlo app, a popular dropshipping app that integrates AliExpress with Shopify. Once installed, navigate to the Oberlo dashboard and connect your AliExpress account by clicking on the Find Products button and selecting AliExpress as the supplier. Search for the product you want to add to your store, and once found, click on the Import to Oberlo button. The product will then be imported into your Oberlo dashboard, where you can edit the product details, including the title, description, and pricing. After editing the product details, click on the Add to Import List button to add the product to your import list. Navigate back to the Shopify dashboard and click on the Products section. Then click on the Add Product button and select the option to add a product from Oberlo. Select the product you want to add from your Oberlo import list and click on the Add to Shop button. The product will then be added to your Shopify store, where you can further edit the product details and set the product to live. It is essential to ensure that the product is set to the correct pricing and shipping settings, and that you have a clear understanding of the product's specifications and features. By following these steps, you can easily add products from AliExpress to your Shopify store and start selling to your customers. Remember to always monitor your products and suppliers to ensure that you are providing the best possible service to your customers. Regularly check the product reviews and ratings on AliExpress to ensure that you are selling high-quality products. By following these best practices, you can build a successful and profitable online store using Shopify and AliExpress.